Hey, hi everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. In today's video, I will tell you about those LinkedIn tips which will definitely help you out. So, this video is all about how you can shine through your social media profile. So, let's get started. I will share three top tips with you to tell how you can engage effectively with recruiters on various social sites. Now, perhaps in this case, you need to narrow down your focus. You have to be more strategic and use social media to actively reach out. So, this advice has been shared with many recruiters, and they do tell that these are the best practices for effectively engaging with company recruiters via social media channels. Now, let us find out what those three tips are. So, the first one is create profile. Second one, do your research. And the third one is engage effectively. But how? I will tell you in upcoming slides. So if you will follow these three thumb rules, definitely you will get a job through LinkedIn or any other social sites. Now, the first one is creating profiles, second is rules of engagement, and the third one is do your research. First thing first, gone are the days when you had to create only a paper resume. Today, the world is expanding and so is the reach. So make sure you create your social presence, create your profiles. You can't find a job through social media if you don't have an online presence. So the rule number one, set up your profile. Set up your profile on LinkedIn, and if you are looking for programming roles, don't forget to create your profile on GitHub. So now as you have created your online presence or set up your profile, it's time to brand yourself or sell yourself. So while selling yourself, make sure that you stand out of the crowd. Be unique and sell yourself with examples and claims. Know how to articulate proof for any claims you make. As a recruiters, sometimes I know that they can do the job, but if they can't sell themselves, what is the use? So, to sell yourself, brand yourself in a professional manner. So, once you have set up your profile or develop or refined your LinkedIn profile, now ask yourself following questions to help you out to create the best LinkedIn profile. First is who am I, or what kind of experience do I have? This would definitely help you out to create your profile. Now, the second question is what is my biggest selling point? After all, you have created your profile to sell yourself to the recruiters. And the third one is what do I want to be known for? That means what is unique in you or how you can be a perfect match for the particular company you would like to target. Tip of the day, use hashtags and keywords. Make your profile relevant. To ensure that recruiters know what you do and what you can do for the company and for the recruiters, do use hashtags and keywords. So when you write it by your own, you might have something that's more likely to resonate with hiring managers. So if you are new to LinkedIn, you can read others' profile summaries to get a feel for language common to the industry you want to be a part of. Search engine optimization is something to consider too. So, hashtags and keywords can be incredibly useful when recruiters are searching for the candidates. Now let's come to second thumb rule, rule of engagement. So if you are interested in a particular company or for a particular position, first on apply online through their career site. Recruiters can't find you if you are not in the system. So make sure that initially you prepare and research before you reach out to a recruiter directly. So turn on open candidates on LinkedIn, which let recruiter and peers outside organization know that you're open to new opportunities, but keep your job search under the radar. So before that, you can also use LinkedIn salary to make sure that the role you are interested in would fall within your target salary range. Recruiters definitely appreciate candidates who respond to their post. So Simply writing I'm available or can I have the job please doesn't sound good. So it encourage a dialogue with a someone who's dealing with hundred of people. Make sure you appreciate what they post. Okay, so try to start a conversation on a positive note. Try responding to the recruiter's post with humor or showing excitement about an opportunity. So those types of comments will definitely work out for you. Building connection is very important. So make sure to build connection and to know more about what's happening in the company which you see as your dream company. Read their blogs, articles, and then consistently leverage your social media presence. Networking is very important, but network with the net worth and the right people. I mean to say, don't waste your time. Listen to industry speakers such as company CEOs, what they have to tell about the company, do research to approach the right people on social media. Also, ask recruiters how they can help you to get a job at it's better than sending heaps of messages or generic salutations without a name. Definitely these tips would work for you. Third and very important, which I always emphasize in all of my video if it is related to interview or resume or company. So it is do your research. There are hundreds and thousands of recruiters working on different areas or the businesses. So to get to know the one who hire you for your area is a must. For this you have to do extensive research. Be like a detective. Look on the career site. Look at teams, job descriptions, job opportunities you are interested in. Or you can use Bing or LinkedIn. You can search by team names and it pulls up people's names that are tied to it. So make sure you do your thorough research before applying or before connecting to a recruiter. Someone rightly said when people engage with recruiters on social media, they are starting conversations that can lead somewhere and sometimes right into a new job. So make sure that you make your social media profile a professional one. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. I will come up with more such kind of videos based on LinkedIn and how to use LinkedIn. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Fresh Learning Academy, a place where learning never stops.